Dennis here, aka Mr. Leafshine, with another Chrysal episode. Today, I get to talk about my favorite topic, Chrysal Leafshine. It's a fantastic, low-cost upgrade to your plants and flowers, and it's easy to apply, and it is inexpensive. You don't have to go to China and buy a container to upgrade, or a pick, or the simple application, and you elevate your plants and flowers. We have 4 great sizes to work with, your 2 larger commercial sizes, and then 2 retail sizes that you can share with your consumers so they too can enjoy a professional shine. On application, the Leafshine is a really fine atomizer, so it's a quick spray. You don't have to put it on real heavy. You can see right there, we've got a nice high gloss, great coverage, no wiping. If there's any spray residue or water calcium buildup, it'll absorb it. So there's no wiping, it'll just disappear. And then, of course, you could take your roses. You don't hit the blooms, give it a quick spray on the foliage, and you've elevated your foliage of your rose bouquet. So, folks, go out and buy your Leafshine today.